There was a boy named Chocko. Chocko was not his real name. He was called that because he loved chocolate. He munched on bars all the time. Every Monday, Chocko's dad gave him some pocket money. He called it his Poco to rhyme with his name. Save your Poco, Chocko, his father told him. Then you can buy something useful. Chocko went straight to the corner shop. He bought lots of chocolate. By the time he got to school, it was all gone. Chocko's mother had a difficult time too. Every day she told him, "You will become a chocolate. What will the dentist say? Just look at the state of your teeth." Mom, Chocko replied to everything she said. There was nothing he could add. He knew he must stop, but did not know how. Every time he looked in a mirror, he got a shock. His teeth were as dark as chocolate. Chocko was not happy. "How can I stop?" he cried to himself. As he went to sleep one night. During the night, Chocko sat up. In a dark corner, he saw a little man in a very large purple turban. He was no bigger than Chocko's hand. The little man bowed and danced about. Then he moved closer to Chocko's bed. Chocko slid further under the bed sheet. "These are magic beads," whispered the little man. "Every time you eat a bar of chocolate, one will disappear. When you have no beads left, then I will come and get you in my land. Everybody is made small. We eat well. We drink milk. We are happy. Oh, and we brush our teeth." In the morning, Chocko was surprised to find 10 beads on his bedside table. He examined them, scratched his head, and then got ready for school. It was Poco Day, and he was excited. But he did remember to brush his teeth. As usual, Chocko spent his Poco. He chomped all the way to school. When he got home, the beads were still there, but he counted only 9. He searched everywhere but could not find the 10th. Chocko was worried. In the weeks that followed, Chocko kept counting. It was no use. Every time he bought chocolate, a bead went missing. He got more and more worried. He did not want to end up in the little man's land with the little people. And no family, no friends, no chocolate. There was only one bead left. It was Poco Day. Dad was waiting. Chocko went up to him sadly. "Please put my Poco in the bank for me, Dad," said Chocko. "No chocolate today?" asked Dad. "No, Dad," replied Chocko. "Not just yet." Dad's eyes twinkled. In a few weeks, Chocko's teeth looked much better. He was cleaning them more. They began to sparkle. He was saving money too. "I did it myself," he said proudly. Then one day, on his way to school, Chocko passed a heap of rubbish. On the top was a glove puppet. It was a little man wearing a purple turban.